Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see mentions on Facebook PC. We start by entering the profile we want on Facebook. After that, we will search and click on the mentions option. Finally, you will be able to see the places where that user has been tagged on Facebook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.